This is the before lowering 1 inch. That thing's really high. It's like a truck. 4 fingers and more. Here, 4 fingers tight. So this is the car lowered. Before it was 4 fingers easily. Now it's 3, can't even fit 3. So a little less than 3 in the front, in the back. 4, 3, there you go. A little bit more than 3. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Cybertruck build. It's from a Prius. I just got it back up and running after I chopped the car in half, basically took out the back seat, stuck it back together. So stay tuned for that build. Let's get into it. So my main concern, you know, when doing this is how much am I gaining, how much am I losing, right? Basically the ride comfort, how much stiffer is it gonna feel, bumps, you know, road noise, how much am I gaining, looks obviously, and handling. I'm telling you that the trade-off is absolutely a no-brainer. I would do this to the mall, honestly. This is the closest to stock quality. It's quicker on the recoil. It pops up, you know, when it dips, it jumps back up. 1 inch drop. I'm telling you, don't go anymore, because I watched other videos and people say like it feels, you know, harsher. I think this is a perfect setup right here. The front end is I'm telling you, that is a pain in the ass right there, doing the front of this car. These are the thickest springs that I've ever installed on a car. These are like pretty much like truck, you know, springs. When I got them, I was like, you know, maybe they sent me the wrong stuff, but when you take off the front springs, they're pretty much the same thickness. These are just shorter. These two, yeah. The
long screws, though. Okay. 2 of them. Now what?
Take it out.
The front?
That's it.
Hold on. That's it?
That's it.
Yo, what
2
the
screws.
I thought it's a lot more hard than that.
Come on, woo!
Where the techs got this out.
All right, got this piece. So you just angle it out.
Yep.
Boom. Pero está white.
Okay. All right, action, go. Okay. You definitely have to have a strong impact with multiple batteries charged because these springs are really tough to compress.
Or you just have to have nice big guns to compress the speed.
Yeah. Okay, wait, I need to do a front one. Yes, dude. This is a front from a BMW.
That's an M5 spring right there. M5.
And this is from a Tesla. I mean,
That's
yeah,
Tesla.
I mean, they're probably the same thickness, but I feel like this
No,
one's a lot
is it
harder.
the same thickness?
I think so.
The-
I mean,
no,
look
they-
at it. Oh no, maybe it might be a little bit thicker.
A little bit
Slightly.
thicker. A little bit thicker.
But I mean, dude, to compare it to, I mean, what do you compress these springs to this, man? This is like damn light difference.
For real.
Made in Korea.
What?
Yeah,
Made in Korea?
for real.
Elon Musk said this was all American made.
Was it?
What a liar.
Well, maybe the part you got that was wrecked, made in Korea.
That's aftermarket.
No, it ain't. Bullshit, it's an OEM.
Is it?
Looks like it's OEM.
Hey, don't hit the fender, please.
Actually, this is pretty smart how they made this, honestly.
I feel like it's a more of a solid setup.
Well, yeah.
Move it back.
Which way?
This way, towards you. Okay.
You think you should wait closer?
Hell yeah.
No, it's probably this way easier.
Yeah. No, dude, when I came here, dude, it was like a sauna in here. It was hell hot.
No, we can get that easier to control it.
Чуть-чуть на себя. Чуть-чуть. Good, too much. Good. Okay. Smells like a sperm whale. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. Yeah, we gotta drive it. I can already tell it's sitting a little lower. We still gotta drive it a little bit, back and forth. Maybe we lifted it. It's lowered right there. We just drove out. That's what I was looking for. It didn't slam it. Made it sit a little bit lower. I love it.